Cheers us, Nigeria. We said Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is inspired by Nigeria Independence Day makeup look. So Nigeria is 58. Yes, our country is 58, guys. So without further ado, watch me do this magic on my face. If you're new here for the first time, consider subscribing. And if you're a returning, thank you for always coming back. I love you. Let's get started with this tutorial. Wait on it. See you all in my next one. Bye. I'm going in with classic primer to prime my face. And I'm going in with again Stuff foundation. So I'm just trying to make sure the foundation is well blended into my face. So I'm using this over brush to darken the foundation into my face. And I'm going in with Elegant Pro Concealer to highlight my face. Then my beauty blender to darken it in. I'm going in with banana powder. So I'm going to use this Usher's concealer palette on my lips. I don't have a green lipstick, so I'll use the concealer and improvise as my lipstick. So I'm trying to remove the excess powder. Now I'm going with Tara powder to my face. I'm lighting with Anastasia Glow Kit. So I'm going back to my Usher's palette to start drawing my symbols on my face. Well, I'm trying to represent Nigeria, yeah, like green, white, green. So like I'm drawing like a 9, okay, something like that. Then I'll now do a reverse of the 9 at the other eye. So I just it. And I'm going for the other eyes, which is the white. I'll just draw the white, but this time around in the reverse. So Nigeria is 58. Oh, we pray our country is a better place to be. Happy birthday to Nigeria. Nigeria is 58. 5 and 8. Oh, Nigeria now 58. So I'm going in with again lesser gel liner to lining under my eyes on this side, and the other one I'll use the white liner to line in it. So this is the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. So guys,